Share ko pangalan yung post ni Papa Rod. Actually, nakaka-excite kasi when he was telling about it, we were in a Miss Universe event. And he got so excited because he saw a lot of potential beauty queens. And he really want to give like an opportunity to these girls, to these women, na ang daming pwede. Kaya niya naisip, siguro kaya hindi sumasaling ibang queens kasi iniisip nila, ay naku, baka hindi na ako pwede dyan kasi nag-runner up na ako dito. That's why he came up with that idea na MGI All-Stars. And I am also excited for that because me, myself, I experienced how random production, how genuine they are, and how really they take pageantry seriously. And we saw that not just in Miss Grand International, but also during Miss Universe 2025.
Off the top of your head, kung tatanungin ka, parang may gusto kang, makita na from our country to join or try this pageant?
Ang dami! Kasi parang ang hirap mag-name ng iilan. Kasi sobrang dami ng pwede na maging winner. Winner na agad, di ba? Hindi lang candidate ng MGI All-Stars na matitake nila lahat ng list ni Papa Nawat para maging winner ng MGI All-Stars. So, kailangan na ng names. Parang ang names dapat manggaling sa me. Kaya ang dami talaga, ang daming potential women na dapat sumali. Coming from Miss World Philippines, di ba? Sir ALB, sino bang gusto mong isali? If ever na magsasali ka ng tatlo. Sige, tatlo muna, ALB. Sinong isasali ko po?
Just huwag ka man. Huwag ka magalit siya iba. Pero marami nga, the Philippines has a lot of potentials and a lot of also queens na let's give them a chance na sumika.
Hindi coming lang
Coming from me, what
Miss
are
World Philippines.
Miss World
Na mga
Philippines,
nahawakan mo na.
who are the most qualified to join.
Oo. Top 3 on your mind right now.
Wow. The Miss World Asia, I think si Krishna. Krishna is one of the best contender. Give her a chance kasi she's supposed to be the Miss World. Kaya lang, she's Miss World, sayang. Konti na lang eh. Konti-konti. Siguro one step forward siya na yung winner. Siguro, this is the big chance for her to have an international brand.
Who else? Two
Two
more.
more. Kahit merit.
Wala pong ano, no? Wala pang
Michelle D.
Hindi ba
Michelle D. She was Miss World before. Michelle D also has a big potential. And Perez. Tracy Perez. Tracy Maureen Perez. These are the qualified. Catalina Rodriguez is also qualified.
Sige po. Okay, last question to the owners. How do you see this